Do you know
Do you know
what happened
what happened
in our house
in her heart
last night?
last night?
What happened?
What happened?
A thief jumped
Up to that
over
over
the garden wall
Daddy wall
and
and
entered the compound.
then spell.
Đó các bạn. But how did
How did
he enter the house?
the house
Through the
to the
bathroom window.
bathroom window?
Fortunately,
Possibly
Daddy
Daddy
was still awake.
what the room?
So,
So
the thief
the thief
was caught.
was caught.
Do you know
Do you know
what happened in our house last night?
what happened? No.
What happened?
What happened?
A thief jumped over the garden wall
Every little got the world
and
and
entered the compound.
then got found.
But how did he enter the house?
And the car was
How did he enter the house?
house and then house.
Through the bathroom window.
To the window.
Fortunately,
From this
Daddy was still awake.
don't have the eight.
So,
So
the thief was caught.
this is the card.
But yeah.